Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry Unstuck. Today we are going to discuss about ethane conformer. What you have to do first, open Avogadro software. After opening Avogadro software, you can see in your left hand side element is a carbon and bond order single. It is coming like default. So you don't need to change if it is carbon or single, or you have to convert into carbon or single. What you have to do next, you can see here already clicked one is that tool is there, draw tool. So this is already clicked. You don't need to touch this tool. You just need to come on black screen and you need to click. So you can see it is methane. After clicking on screen, you will get methane and you have to make ethane. So how you can make ethane? What you have to do, you just need to click on carbon and just drag little bit. When you will stretch that bond, it will convert into ethane. You can see here it is ethane, right? 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen are there. After that you can click on that arrow mark selection tool. So after that you can click on carbon and you can rotate and check what type of ethane is this. It is looking like staggered. So next conformer you want to make as a eclipse. So what you have to do for eclipse, you have to change angle of this ethane. So half part you have to select. First select this half part of ethane, then click on this tool, manipulation tool. After clicking on that manipulation tool, you have to click on carbon right side. After clicking on right, you can see that red arrow mark showing rotation. So you can easily rotate. Okay. After rotating, you can see what it formed. You can check. After again, you have to click on arrow and you need to just rotate to check it is eclipse or not. Behind hydrogen are not visible. It means it is eclipse, right? So it formed eclipse. Again, I have to make staggered. So what I can do, I just need to already it is selected. If it is not selected, you have to select again. You need to click on navigation that this manipulation tool and you need to right click on your mouse. After clicking right, you can see red arrow upside down or left and right. So we have to move upside. So we can just go upside. So after going up, we can see it's staggered or eclipse. Okay. So we can just check it is looking like staggered or eclipse. Okay. So you just see it is staggered, right? After that, you can optimize or calculate single point energy of this molecules and you can plot. After plotting, you will get the potential energy graph for this staggered eclipse. And after each time, you have to rotate for 60-degree angle. You can select half and you can rotate. Okay, by which navigation tool? Sorry, manipulation tool. So after that, you just remember if you will click left arrow, left mouse button, it will stretch like that. So don't click on that. Just remember you have to right click on that mouse. After clicking right only, you can rotate your and rotate properly to get correct energies. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like and subscribe this video if you like it. Thank you.